Probably sleep is the most important tool that I have, because it's the only moment at the day that you can recover and settle everything.
Yeah.
I go bed around 11, 12 there, and wake up 8:30. I take care a lot of my recovery, because I think the way you're training, if you're training 2 hours, you have to recover 2 hours. If you're training 3 hours, you have to recover 3 hours. You have to manage and to find the balance to don't overstress your body too, because too much sport is not good too. Your mental cognition, it's very important in my opinion. I try to find with my experience to don't push too much my body when they need to recover, but to find the balance.